Come with me today as I take 7 girls hiking on the Nusa Coastal Walk. The things we encountered along the way were truly out of this world.
This is the actual dolphin point.
Oh, there's so many, bruh.
So many.
Shit, there's 2 whole schools. Made it, ladies and gents. Coastal Walk for Hell's Gate. Hell yeah, boys and girls. Can't tell if that whole cloud formation is God rays or not, but it looks like God rays, man. That's so sick, dude. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Is that not the sickest view you guys have ever seen? Woo-wee! Yo, it's the Pokemon Cramorant. What? After soaking up all the views and whatever Mother Nature had conjured up, it was time to head on back. Hey, ding 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 ding. Yeah. We made it! Woohoo! Speaking of making it, we also made it just in time to catch the sunset by the main beach, man. Similar to Prince of Persia's Sands of Time, the sands were absolutely white and magical. Look at that, bruh. Ever so slightly slipping through my fingers, asking me to appreciate whatever time I got left on this beach, man. All in all, Nusa was an absolute gem as it left us with this amazing God rays sunset.